This is natural, not chemical based.
So I'll try first the fufu.
Okay, let's try it, guys.
Hello guys, we're here at Triumph African Restaurant here in Fresno. You need to check this place out.
Located at 5730 North 1st Street, right here in Fresno. If you're looking for a place serving rich, vibrant flavors while keeping things clean and healthy, this is the place for you. Step inside Triumph, and you'll immediately notice how clean and spacious it is. The environment is warm and inviting, with plenty of room to relax and enjoy your meal. It's a perfect blend of traditional African charm and modern comfort, making it a great spot for dining out with family or friends. The menu here is all about authentic African cuisine. Every dish is crafted with care, using fresh ingredients that not only taste amazing, but are also designed to make your body feel good. From hearty stews to vibrant salads, each bite is packed with nutrients and flavor, a perfect balance for anyone who believes that eating well is the key to living well. Whether you're indulging in their famous Jollof Rice, savoring the rich flavors of their slow-cooked stews, or trying out something new like their delicious plantains, you'll taste the love and authenticity in every bite. They also deliver straight to your door and cater for all occasions. Whether you're hosting a party, a corporate event, or just want a great meal at home, Triumph has you covered. Healthy, delicious food wherever you are. So if you're in Fresno and craving a meal that's both authentic and healthy, head over to Triumph African Restaurant at 5730 North 1st Street. It's more than just a restaurant. It's a destination for anyone who loves great food and believes that eating healthy is the key to living a healthy life. For dine-in, delivery, or catering, give them a call. Triumph African Restaurant, where healthy eating meets authentic African flavors.
So Marcelina, tell us what we have here.
Well, hi everyone that is watching. First of all, before I say anything, I want to thank my people in Fresno. Fresno has made me proud of what I love to do. To feed you guys, for being in business for 13 years is not a joke. Thank you. Shout out to Fresno people. Thank you. First of all, we have this famous food right here, egusi soup. This has been in trend for 4 years right now, all over United States. Thank you for being part of this. And also, this is fufu. We have different types of fufu. The one from cassava, the one from pounded yam. So also, thank you, my people.